guys, welcome back to my channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. It's Gilly here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this look here using the Jackie, Aina, and Anastasia Beverly Hills collaboration. So excited for this. I created a really beautiful look using this palette here. I'm just going to show you guys the insides. Mine already kind of looks messy because I obviously just used it earlier, but I think that this looks really amazing. This palette, I mean, even though it was surrounded by a bit of controversy for some reason, like people had issues with the shade name Wiggalese and all this nonsense, but I mean, y'all know it's because it's Jackie, so everybody has a problem with it, but I actually really love the shade names in here. I think they really make the palette stand out from other, you know, basic shade names that we normally see. But before I jump into all the details about this palette, please be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, as well as follow me on both Instagram and Twitter. Both of those are _it's Gilly. So first and foremost, to begin, this is what the palette looks like. The packaging is absolutely stunning, and it like shifts different shades that I feel like are kind of in the palette as well. So that's really great. And you have Jackie's like logo on it, the ABH logo, all that jazz, you know. You do get a mirror in here per usual, and you do get a brush, which I've already misplaced mine. So let's not talk about the brush, but these are the shades here. You get 14 shades, and this palette retails for $45. But if you jump on this Sephora sale that they're having, you can get a little bit taken off, either whether you're a Rouge VIB or just a normal member. So you get 20, 15, or 10% off whatever you purchase. So that could be, you know, a little helpful if you were trying to get this palette sometime soon. But if, you know, you're really broke and you can't do it, I actually would recommend waiting, because Macy's always has sales for some reason on ABH stuff, and their palettes always go to half the price. So you could probably get this palette for like $27 if, you know, you really wanted to support Jackie but you were really broke. You know, Jackie would understand. A lot of people have already purchased this palette, you know, it's okay. But I just really love the feel of this palette. It is your standard ABH palette, and y'all know I'm obsessed with ABH palettes, but this one doesn't have that velvet thing that they always put on the cover, so it won't get as dirty as fast. Like, it's still like a light shade, but because it's more like sleek, I don't think it'll get as dirty as fast. So there's that. Aside from that, I don't really know what else to say. I will say that these two shades, Dollars and Zam, they're more of like a chunky glitter. So I would definitely recommend spraying your brush before you pick them up so that they can adhere to something and then adhere to your eye. I had a little bit of trouble with that. So I think that was it. I did get kickback from the shades Ginger and Credit, but I think like something we have to come to terms with ABH is that if you have really pigmented shadows, there's for some reason kickback with ABH. I don't know what it is about their formula, but that is what it is. So if you don't like that, then that's unfortunate. But to me, it wasn't a problem because I didn't get any fallback. So I'd rather my palette look a hot mess than under my eyes look like I've just ran into like a rainbow or something. So I didn't really have a problem with that. But yeah, let's jump right into the tutorial portion of the video. I'm going to show you guys how I get this complete look. I'm obsessed. I think this looks so gorgeous. Congratulations, Jackie, you did it, girl. This palette is amazing. Alrighty guys, it is 7 o'clock in the morning, so my voice is gonna sound terrible, but let's jump right into the application portion of this video so we can create a bomb look with this palette right here. Super gorgeous. Literally cannot wait to dive into this. I did already prime my eyes with the ABH eye primer, just in case you were wondering, what is this weird white thing on her eyes? It's this. Okay guys, so this is ginger applied to my crease. I'm not sure what happened, but I feel like my camera kind of glitched, so I just wanted to tell you guys that is ginger that I just applied all over my crease. It's a very, very nice color, and honestly, this is the first time like a color that looks like this applied and showed up on me so well. Normally, like, I would have to use like maybe one more other color to get a transition shade that looks like this, so already I'm impressed. So yeah, let's go in with edges, see what's going on with edges. I will say that there's a decent amount of kickback on these. I'm not sure if you guys can see them. No, but there's like a decent amount of kickback, nothing that should make you like not want to get the palette, but that's just me. The one thing I will say about this palette is that be careful, because it's, I think, really easy to have a look go 0 to 1,000 on you, because it's so pigmented. Like, you have to use just the tiniest amount, because anything goes a long way in this palette. Like, this is amazing. Like, I mean, y'all know I love ABH, but this is definitely some tier 1 type of quality with these shadows. Like, love this. Now I'm just stamping credit into the outer V of my eye, because y'all know I'm going to do a cut crease. Please don't judge me, just keep going. Okay, so I have cut my crease again with that ABH primer. I kind of sort of feel like I probably didn't even need it, but you know, here I am cutting my crease still. I just like having the setup for where my shadows are going to go, so that I can properly place them, because y'all know I'm not a makeup artist. I just do this for fun. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this infamous shade Wiggalese. I'm super excited to use this. Like, it's been my favorite shade since I saw Jackie's video. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of Dola's. I know it's a little bit more green, but I don't know, something is calling me to it, so I'm just gonna put that in the inner corner, see what happens. I'm a little upset that you can't see Dola's, like the green in it, really pop out on camera, but you know, it is what it is sometimes. I'm trying to figure out what else I should do. I kind of want to do like a cool liner effect, but I'm also not the best with liners, and I don't want to mess this up. You know what? To make Dola's pop a little more, I'm going to add a little bit of Zam on top of it, because I think Zam is kind of like that same formulation of chunky glitter. Yeah, it is. Okay guys, so I've applied lashes and a little bit of liner, and this is what the look is looking like. I think I might, once I do the bottom, I might throw in just like a little bit of that purple, just because I really think it'll do something to this look. So we're gonna get into that a little later, because I'm gonna do the rest of my face, of course. I'm obviously gonna run through this super fast, just because y'all see me do this too many times. But I'm gonna be using a couple of new products, and some of them I've already tried, but they're just really new to my makeup routine, and I finally bought the big size or the full size of them, so I just want to show you guys which products those are, you know, just to do that. So first I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty mattifying primer. I've actually never used this, so this is my first time using it. Hopefully, you know, it works for me, but we'll see. For foundation, I'm going to be using my Pat McGrath. I feel so bougie saying that and just holding this, like literally my wrist like hurts holding this bottle. She's real cute. I wear the shade medium deep 27. This is my first time opening it, you know. Ooh, so luxurious. I cannot with Pat. Like, she got me, you know. She got me. This is such a beautiful foundation. Like, if you've never tried it, I definitely recommend getting a sample, as well as, you know, going to watch my review on it, because it was a really fun review, and I think you really get to see whether or not that foundation works for us oily girls or not. But to make it better, I am going to mix in a little bit of the Farsali Skin Tune Blur. I saw Jackie do this in like a few of her videos recently, and that was partially a reason why I even purchased this again. I liked it the first time, but I just kind of thought it was a little pricey, and I was like, all right, I don't need to buy this again. But then I saw Jackie and I was like, yeah, I'm buying it. Okay, so now going back to the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and use this ColourPop Cream Gel Liner. This one is in the shade Honey Dude. It's a nude one, and I'm wearing really huge lashes, and I just want my eyes to look more open, because right now I feel like you can't see my eyes. For the bottom lash line, I am going to take this shade called Big Wig and blend that underneath. I am afraid because this is purple, and I don't want to look like I have a black eye, but I want to do this. Guys, this is looking real cute. Alrighty guys, so this is the final product here. I'm obsessed. I think this looks super, super, super amazing. Definitely one of my more favorite looks that I've done for this year. I'm going to play around a lot more with the other shades in this palette. So, you know, that's why you got to follow me on Instagram if you want to see the other looks I create. Hint, hint. Go follow me on Instagram is really the moral of that story. But I had such a fun time creating this palette. I woke up at the butt crack of dawn to do this because, you know, your girl got to study. So I'm about to finish this up, go take a shower, and get to studying because I have an exam this week. But I love this palette. 10 out of 10 would recommend. I think even with the little bit of fallout and the issues I had with the chunky glitter formulation in here, this is still such a beautiful palette. It is made for the chocolate girls, and I think that if you are really trying to step up your eyeshadow palette game, this is it. Like, I feel like there's like so much diversity within this palette. You can create day looks, you could go to night, you can be colorful. It's really up to you and your imagination. So this palette here is bomb diggity. Definitely would recommend that you guys purchase. I think Jackie did a really great job picking out the shades in here. They're wonderful, but I will say be careful because these shades are pigmented. And if you go, you know, too hard, you might get burned, but not in like a bad way. Your look just might be a little more dramatic than you intended on it being. But with that being said, that's going to be the end of today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe as always, because I say that every time and I need y'all to subscribe, as well as follow me on both Instagram and Twitter. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching.